First candidate in position 2, Zach Cordova.
Thank you, and thank you all for being here this evening. I think of education in the community to add 2 main ingredients, and that's parents and stakeholders in our education. I come before you this evening as a parent. I am a parent of 2 boys in our public schools here, one in the 8th grade middle school and the other in our 3rd grade Ranchos Elementary School. I hold my children's education to a higher standard myself in my home. That means that I'm a validated person for our stakeholder as far as our children's education, my children's education, our children's education. I am 37 years old. Don't let the white hair fool you. I like to think of it as wisdom. I hope to persuade you folks as well this evening. We'll see how that goes. I'd like to reiterate that I think this is important, that I'm not a politician, folks. I'm not in it for any political gain, anything of that nature. I'm in it as a community servant, a community person of a great community here in Taos, and with a real vested interest in our children of the community. Many people in here may know me by my face and realize that the activities that I bring to Taos as far as the youth organizations, the sports organizations, but I want to assure you folks that yes, that's an outlet for some of our kids in our community, but education is a must. Academics is a must. They must come first. Those things that I involve myself in, us as parents that our children to do, are considered extracurricular activity, of course, but our education for our kids must come first. If elected, I wish to be a voice for our teachers that are already in place, great teachers, great staff, great faculty that are already in place. I'm a teachable and approachable person, and I like to carry that in as a school board member. I believe with the final here, I believe that we have quality schools in Taos Municipal right now. We have quality schools in place. 2 things I like to bring back is support and strength to those quality schools. Thank you.